this moisturizer contains more honey extracts than a hive. Interesting, right? So let's go ahead and talk about this product. So today's video is about a moisturizer that I don't see most people talk about, but I feel like it is such an underrated product. The ingredient list on this one is something else, and I'm gonna talk about it in this video. So let's get started. So the moisturizer I'm talking about is this Som by Me P5 Glow Barrier Calming Cream. The name is so long. This is the moisturizer that we're gonna discuss today. So I'm gonna start off with the ingredient list first. So this moisturizer contains 3 different type of honeys in it, which includes Monaco honey as well. And this contains 70% of propolis extract. So that ingredient in general is really good in giving you that smooth and healthy skin. This also contains glycerin, niacinamide, pentothal, green tea and some essential oils as well. The ingredient list is quite big. So we're gonna talk about the major ingredient that this contains, which is propolis extract, niacinamide, glycerin, pentothal, B5 and royal jelly. So all these ingredients are really good if your skin barrier is damaged and you need something to repair it. This is the cream to go for. And the honey extract and propolis make this moisturizer amazing for people with dehydrated skin. However, on the website they mentioned that this moisturizer is good for oily skin, dehydrated dry skin, basically all skin type, but I would say people with dry dehydrated skin, this is the product for you. So this cream says that it is a cream formulated with an exclusive agent for skin barrier care, propenthol, that creates a protective layer on skin. It is also contained with Monaco honey, which fill the skin with healthy energy. Ingredient list is mentioned in Korean on the back of the packaging. This is how the cream looks like. The texture is so amazing and it has that honey kind of fragrance. The fragrance go away after 2 minutes. As you can see, I've used quite a lot of it, and this is a 60 gram of product that costed me $26, but you always get some discount or the other on YesStyle, so I actually got it for $19. Now we're gonna talk about the texture of this. This has a very light gel kind of texture, which makes it suitable for people with oily skin, but it is so moisturizing because of the ingredient list, propolis and honey, that it is amazing for people with dehydrated skin. It is not sticky, very hydrating kind of moisturizer and a perfect moisturizer to use during daytime. I love to use it in my daytime skincare routine, like morning skincare routine, but for night I have separate moisturizer. This product contains vitamin C as well, which means if you're using it in the day, it's mandatory to apply sunscreen and in an adequate amounts, so keep that in mind. Texture of this product is very lightweight. It doesn't feel like you have a lot of product going on. It doesn't clog your pores, and I have this product on today and you can see my skin. I have been using this product from last, I would say, 15 days. Now I'll tell you my experience with this product. So first time I used that product, I felt a little sticky, and that's what I want to mention here. For the first few seconds it feels sticky onto your skin and it feels like it's not gonna hydrate, but after few seconds the stickiness go away like completely, and it hydrates your skin so deeply. You don't need any other product after using this. It is definitely very moisturizing. I have dry dehydrated skin and that's why I'm telling you it is very moisturizing. It has a honey kind of fragrance, so very soothing and refreshing, not overpowering, nothing. Also the fragrance go away within 1 to 2 minutes. So overall I would say this is a perfect moisturizer for anyone who is looking for very lightweight summer kind of moisturizer, if you know what I'm saying, like very light in texture and doesn't dry out your skin. This moisturizer is exactly the same. I honestly didn't have that much expectation. I love the Dynasty cream from Beauty of Joseon, but I wanted to try something different because most of my skincare is Beauty of Joseon and I wanted to try different brands as well. That is all that I wanted to share about this product, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And I review Korean products on my channel, so if you are interested in that content, you can subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.